What's up, guys? No, we're grand. We're doing a nice reasonable hike here in Pai Canyon, and as I looked up Pai Canyon, the first thing that came up on Google was Pai Canyon deaths. So I don't know, we'll see what this place is like, but it's meant to be the best sunset in Pai, so we're on the way up now. We'll get the drone up in a few minutes. Drone O'Canila's back.
£1 entry fee.
£1 entry fee, cheapest entry fee to anywhere so far. So we're just sitting here in the Grand Canyon and the Grand Canyon, what's it called? Pai Canyon, and the sun is going to go down in about, I don't know what time, another 15-20 minutes anyway, but it's a beautiful place, definitely very dangerous.
Scary.
Danger level 10 out of 10 here in Thailand. So we're gonna go to a bamboo bridge that's quite famous. It goes through the rice paddy fields, or whatever you call them anyway, so you see like the levels and layers of the rice and stuff, which should be cool. Pulled in here along the way at the Pam Bok Waterfall. It looks pretty cool, so we're gonna go and have a look at the place. So you'll see here the old bridge that you used to have to walk across.
So we're at the Pam Bok bamboo bridge. It was 30 baht per person, which is actually grand just towards maintenance of the bridge.
So we're gonna go around, walk the rest of this and get a few drone shots.